Mission failed. Fail safe. Okay, guys. I guess. We're recording. The target is in range. Hey, it's Neighborhood Heroes and Crazy Man, Angel, Clay, and Damien are over there. We're trying to shoot our friend Xavier, who should be. He's coming down the street right now. Look at the street right now. Okay, I'm hiding in a bush, trying to not get spotted. Joseph's over there with his gun. Try to get Joseph to bend down, not get seen. Joseph is planning to shoot him with the ball. Stupid Okay, just it's coming. You fucking missed, Joseph! You missed!
I hit him around his arm!
Yeah, you're supposed to hit him with the balls!
I'm not that mean.
Oh!
God.
Well, YouTube, eventually we made him bleed, so that's not good.
Yeah, it's not
You
good.
should just hit him in the balls, it wouldn't hurt so bad.
Yes, it would.
That would hurt more, huh?
Oh yeah, nobody's actually looking for you. Nobody's looking for you. We just wanted to
You want
shoot
me to
you.
get you a band-aid?
Bye.
Bye, YouTube. I hope